Hello students, in our previous video we have seen what are acids and bases and their types. Now let's see the physical properties of the acids and bases. We already know that physical properties are the properties which we can see or observe. With this, let's see the physical properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. For example, lemon containing citric acid and vinegar containing acetic acid are sour. Acids exist in all three physical states, that is solid, liquid and gas, but generally exist in liquid state. For example, boric acid and benzoic acid exist in solid state. Acetic acid and citric acid exist in liquid state, while hydrochloric acid exists in both forms, that is gaseous form and liquid form. Most of the acids are colorless. Acids turn blue litmus paper into red. There is no change in color of phenolphthalein when added to an acid. The aqueous solution of acid conducts electricity since the acid forms iron when added to water. They are corrosive. Strong acids can spoil human skin, clothes, paper, etc. because of their highly corrosive nature. So these are some physical properties of acids. Now let's see the physical properties of bases. Bases are often bitter in taste. For example, baking soda, which is a base and its taste is bitter. Bases generally exist in solid state, but some bases exist in liquid state also. For example, calcium hydroxide is base but exists in liquid state. Bases are generally colorless like acids. Bases are soapy or slippery in nature when touched. Bases turn red litmus paper into blue. Bases change colorless phenolphthalein to pink. Generally, bases are mild as compared to acids, but strong bases are caustic in nature. That is, they cause harm to the surface they come in contact with. You must have observed while studying the properties of acids and bases that to identify acids and bases we use litmus paper and phenolphthalein, which are nothing else but indicators. Indicators are special substances that help us to determine whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature without tasting it. But litmus paper and phenolphthalein are not only the indicators that we know about. There are many more like onion, clove oil, methyl orange, etc. All the indicators are classified as natural indicators or synthetic indicators based on their origin. In our next video, we will learn about natural indicators.